welcome to Oclef Kinder. Today I have a guest. This is Miss Glenda.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for
So,
having me.
and here's Gumby as well. Hi, Gumby.
Hi, Gumby.
So today I'm going to learn Happy Birthday. We are going to learn Happy Birthday. Miss Glenda is going to teach me how to play Happy Birthday, and I'm going to try and make some common mistakes so that we can all learn together. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So, where should
Okay.
I start?
Well, this starts in middle C position, which is I like to call butterfly position because you can put your hands together like this, make the thumbs touch, and it's like a little butterfly. And then the head of the butterfly is going to land on middle C. Ta-da! There you go.
There it is.
So our thumbs are sharing middle C. And let's hear the right hand fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And now let's hear the left hand. 1, 2. There you go. Sorry, I sang the wrong pitch. There you go.
No worries.
Well, let's do it once more and I won't talk over you.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, so we're going to use those finger numbers to help us find our starting notes and some of the bigger jumps in this piece. So we're
Yeah.
going to start with our left hand on finger number 4.
Okay.
And
Okay. So
then
finger 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I
you
want to
got
keep
it.
my thumbs here. Sometimes I like to scoot this way or this way, and I lose middle C. I'm gonna keep my thumbs stuck to middle C.
Yes, glue it there.
Hopefully not super
Okay, not super glue. Maybe just like sticky tacky. Temporary situation. Okay, so we'll start with left hand finger 4. And notice we have 2 of those notes in a row for happy.
4, 4.
Excellent. And then what do you think? Does it go up or down? Yeah, notice how, oh, good. It does go up. But notice how it only goes from a space to a line. So that means it only goes up one step.
One step. So 4 to 3.
There you go.
Okay, so
Exactly.
let me practice that again. 4, 4, 3. Okay.
Very good. And then notice how it goes right back down to that same note that we started on finger 4.
It goes back down. Okay, so 4, 4, 3, 4.
Exactly. And then we make a big jump up to this note, which pretty close. It wasn't that far. This is what one of our other teachers, Miss Kailani, likes to call our special note because it's one of the very first notes we learn. Notice how it's floating in the middle. It's not really attached to the bass clef and it's not really attached to the treble clef either. It's floating in the middle. That's why it's middle C. So that's finger 1 right there.
Okay, so middle C. I'm going to play that with left hand.
There you go.
I'm going to try this on my own. I think I know where it goes. I think it
Wait a
goes to
second.
2.
Exactly. It takes a step down to 2. You got it.
Happy birthday to... No. Happy birthday to... Cha, cha, cha.
Nice job. Exactly. We'll have to add a cha-cha-cha in there. And then for the happy birthday, notice how it's the very same shape as the first. Happy
Where are we?
birthday. Over here. That's right. I'm sorry. Breaking character. I forget that you can't see my pointer when I'm not the host. I'm sorry. Okay. So notice that this shape, happy birthday, is the very same shape as this one.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to. Wait, no. What's that other note at the end?
This one way up here. That one
It says your
is, it does say my name.
name. Okay, so.
That one is finger 2 of the right hand. It's our first right hand note.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Notice how if I draw an imaginary middle C right next to it,
Mhm.
you can see how that note is just one step higher. So that's how we can know that it's D, just finger number 2.
Oh, okay. So let me try that second part again. I think it goes down next. Where does it go?
Yeah.
Let's see where it
How
goes.
far down does it go?
Two, so we're on finger 2. Now we're gonna look at the next line.
Do we recognize this note that's floating in space?
1.
Yes, you got it. And now it goes back down to that same original note. Do you remember the note that we started on? Pretty
4.
close. Yes.
4.
And then we go all the way up to finger 5 in the right
Oh, all the
hand.
way up to finger 5. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's 4, 4, 5.
Yeah. What are the names of those two notes that you just played?
Okay. No, that's not right. Hmm.
What do you think? Let's see how far away it is. You are correct that it goes down. Notice how it goes from a line to the very next line.
Oh, that's 3.
Exactly. And then it goes to another line.
Okay, that's 1. Oh,
Yeah,
I
we
hear
have
it.
2
4,
skips in a
4,
row.
5, 3, 1.
Ta-da! Nice job.
Ooh, what is next? I'm gonna play the last part. Okay, hmm.
I was right. That was finger 2 right there. And then what do you think? Does it step down or step up?
Step down.
You got it. And then exactly. And then we're going to go up to finger number 4 right here. That's a pretty
Finger
big
4.
jump.
Can I see that? Okay, now I can see it. Okay, I'm gonna play from the beginning of that measure again. 2, 3. Someone's staring at me. What is that?
Oh, that little guy is called a fermata. Fermata. And I like to think of it as a dramatic, kind of like a dramatic pause, but it's a dramatic hold. So you can imagine if there was a singer singing, because it is a song, right? Happy birthday to someone. And then everyone would say, ha 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 ha, yeah, yeah, yeah. They'd be all happy. And then everyone sings again, happy birthday to you. So
Oh,
it's just
what's
a
the last part?
dramatic hold.
4, 4, 4, 3. No.
And then, yeah, good. That's a step there. And then what do you think? Step or skip?
Skip.
A skip.
1,
And
1,
then
no. 3, 1,
step or skip. What do you think?
2,
Yes.
1. Oh, I hear it. 2,
Yay.
1. Happy birthday to 1.
Ta-da!
Hey,
You did
I'm gonna play the whole
it.
thing.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna zoom back to the beginning. Okay, I'm gonna find my hand position. Ugh.
The
Ah!
Hulk plays piano.
Mhm. Okay.
Wait, Should we sing happy birthday to Gumby?
I think we should.
It's probably his birthday today. Happy birthday to Gumby!
I don't know where to put Gumby. Maybe right here.
Yay! Perfect.
Okay. Um, wait, I can't see this part. So we're gonna start on. I don't remember the first one. Okay, maybe it was 4. Oops. What is that interval?
Hmm. That's a good question.
4, 1, 4.
Yeah.
It's a fourth.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hearts. 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 1. 4, 4, 5, 3. No. 4, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1. That's Gumby. 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, now I want to try it with the words one more time for Gumby.
Yay!
Birthday to you. Yes, you. Happy birthday to Gumby. Happy birthday, dear Gumby. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay!
Many more.
Many more.
Woohoo!
Yay! Okay, so let's talk about a few things, Miss Glenda.
Sure.
I made some common mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
And these common mistakes are reading mistakes usually. Like, um, the first thing, like 4, 4, this step, right? It's going up, but it's just a step to 3, like Glenda said. And then back down. And then this skip is a fourth, right? From a line to a space, or a space to a line. That's a fourth. Space to a line, and then down to 2. So I would practice that first happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you until you get it. The next one. Happy birthday to, right hand to, and the word to, you goes down to 1. So the second part is 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 1. Yes. And when we're reading at the end of the line, it's good to read on, right? To imagine that the next note is like the music keeps going, just like the words in a book. How about this line? What do you think? What sort of mistakes did I make here?
Mm, we could maybe have sort of forget, oh no, what finger are we starting on there?
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
there's a few ways to figure it out. You could like look back and see, oh, well, I played it before and look at the finger number there.
Yeah.
Or if you just want to figure out what note it is, you could use your all cows eat grass.
Yes. And if you don't remember what that means, I like to put a story with it.
Oh,
Cows, they roam in the pastures, and what do they eat? They usually eat
grass.
grass, right? So all cows eat grass, right? And that's the first space. All cows eat, and then grass is here. G, that's where finger 4 is going to go. Because thumbs share a middle C, right? It's finger 4.
Exactly.
Okay, interesting.
And then it's a really big jump to here as well. So there's a, yeah, it's an,
G
like,
to G.
exactly. It's one octave there. So you could try to remember that. Remember, oh, it's an octave, meaning it goes from a note to the next note of the same name, from G to G.
And then we see that it's skipping down. It's going to the next line. So it does go down, but sometimes what happens is we want to just step down because we see those notes are going down. But there is a skip there where she drew the X. And then to 1, there's also a skip to 1 on middle C. So they're all line notes on the line. And then 2, 3,
Dramatic
dramatic
pause.
pause. 4, 4, 3, and then a skip to 1, and then step up to 2, and then back to 1. So the dramatic pause is where the name happens, right? Name, or someone, someone. Gumby. Gumby will officially turn 60 on Thursday, January 29th.
Hey, we're pretty close.
Early birthday. All right, thank
Awesome.
you, everyone. That's our wisdom for today. So, I think 3 things that you can focus on are practicing and speaking the finger numbers while you play is really helpful. I find that super helpful. And to remember that we have even finger numbers and odd finger numbers, right? 1, 3, and 5, and 2 and 4.
Yeah, that's a good way to remember skips. Skips will go 1, 3, 5 or 2, 4. I like that.
Yeah. Stick around for another one. See ya.